Western Nash County,
Central Wake County, Northwestern
Johnson County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:05 p.m.,
severe thunderstorms were located along the line
extending from 8 miles south of Wake Forest and near Garner, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Smithfield, Garner, Clayton, Zebulon, Knightdale, Wendell, Middlesex, Summit, and Lake Wheeler. For your protection, move to an exterior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Johnston, Nash, and Wake.